Have you ever wanted to make a slow roasted prime rib that's so tender and juicy it feels like it came straight from a steakhouse? Maybe you've held back, thinking it's too complicated or that you might mess it up. I get it, I've been there too. But today, I'm going to show you how easy it is to create this show-stopping dish. We're working with a beautiful boneless ribeye roast, and I'll walk you through the whole process. We'll start by roasting it low and slow to make sure it's perfectly tender and evenly cooked. Then we'll finish it off with a reverse sear to lock in all those juices and give it that golden, crispy crust that everyone loves. By the end of this video, you'll have a slow roasted prime rib that's so impressive your friends and family will think you've hired a private chef. Trust me, this is going to change the way you think about prime rib forever. So let's get started. Look at this beautiful ribeye roast. The marbling on this thing is incredible. This is exactly why I love cooking prime rib. This fat is where all the flavor comes from. As it cooks low and slow, it'll melt right into the meat, making each bite juicy and tender. And we aren't going to trim too much of it because that's the secret to perfect slow roasted prime rib. Now, let's get the ribeye prepped for the smoker. First, we'll trim any excess fat, just enough to leave about 1/4 inch. You want to keep some of that fat for the flavor, but too much can affect how it cooks. If the fat cap is pretty thick, use a sharp knife to score it. This helps the fat break down while cooking, giving us that perfect crispy crust. Plus, it allows the seasoning to sink into the meat better, making every bite packed with flavor. Now, let's add some more flavor. Start by rubbing a thin layer of olive oil over the whole roast. This will help the seasoning stick and create a nice smooth surface for that beautiful sear later. Next, generously apply your seasoning. I'm using Montreal steak seasoning today, but you can go with whatever seasoning blend you like. Or you can use a simple mix of salt, pepper, garlic, paprika, or chili powder for some added heat. Just make sure you rub it in well, especially on the fat cap. Here's a little tip. If you can, let the ribeye sit out at room temperature for about 30 minutes before cooking. This gives the meat a chance to soak in the flavors and helps it cook more evenly. Alright, let's move on to cooking the prime rib roast. But before we do, we need to get our grill or smoker set up. The key here is to cook the ribeye low and slow, right around 250 degrees Fahrenheit. This slow cooking process helps break down the tough fibers in the meat, giving us that melt in your mouth tenderness and infusing it with smoky goodness. If you're using a gas grill, set it up for indirect cooking. Turn on 1 or 2 of the burners on one side and adjust the heat to maintain a steady 250 degrees Fahrenheit. You don't want direct heat on the meat. This is all about slow roasting it. Place the ribeye on the side of the grill without the flames directly under it. For charcoal grills, light your coals and let them burn down until they're glowing and steady. Just like the gas grill, set up a 2-zone fire. One side hot for searing, the other side cooler for slow cooking. You want the cooler side to hover right around 250 degrees Fahrenheit. To check the heat, use a temperature gauge or try the hand test. Hold your hand on the cooler side, and if you can only keep it there for about 4 seconds, you're right around 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Today, I'm using my Masterbuilt electric smoker. I've set it to 250 degrees Fahrenheit and added apple wood chips for a mild sweet smoke flavor. But feel free to experiment with other woods like hickory or oak if you prefer a stronger flavor. If you're using a vertical smoker, make sure that there's a water pan inside to help maintain moisture while the ribeye cooks. And before putting the ribeye on the grill or the smoker, insert a temperature probe into the thickest part of the roast. This will let us monitor the internal temperature so we can pull it off at just the right time. Make sure that the probe is in the center of the meat and not touching the bone or the fat, as those areas can give you inaccurate readings. For the reverse sear, we're aiming for an internal temperature of about 105 degrees before we sear it. That's the sweet spot to ensure that the roast is cooked evenly without overdoing it. Keeping a steady temperature is really important. If you notice that your temperature is creeping up too high, you might need to adjust your vents and add more charcoal to get back to that 250 degrees Fahrenheit sweet spot. Using a wireless thermometer is a great way to track the temperature from your phone so you don't have to hover over the grill the whole time. This is where the magic happens, but it does take a little bit of time, about 1.5 to 2 hours depending on the size of your ribeye roast. Just remember, good things come to those who wait, so don't rush it. Keep an eye on your temperatures and let the meat cook low and slow. Oh, and before I forget, if you're new to grilling and want some extra help with cooking times and temperatures, I've got a free guide that makes everything super easy for you. It covers all kinds of meats and veggies and it's perfect for just getting started. Drop a 100 in the comments and I'll send it your way. Alright, we're almost there. Time for the reverse sear. Turn up the heat and get your grill or oven up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. This high heat will give the ribeye that perfect crispy crust we're all after. Now if you're using the grill, place the roast right on the grill with the fat side down. This helps render all the delicious fat and gives you that golden crispy exterior. Once that side is nice and brown, flip it over and sear the other sides. You should hear that satisfying sizzle. Now don't rush this part either. It's all about building that flavorful smoky crust on the outside. Let the ribeye get its moment to shine and really develop that perfect crunch. Now that our ribeye is beautifully seared, we'll let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. I know you're excited to cut in, but trust me, this step is so important. Resting lets the juices settle back into the meat, so each slice is super juicy and tender. Now that it's all rested, let's go ahead and slice up that prime rib. And look at that, perfect medium rare, exactly how we want it. It's so tender and juicy that you can slice it with a very dull knife. And here's the final plated dish. Look at the texture of the meat, nice and pink in the middle with a beautiful crispy crust. I've created a prime rib planner that's full of useful tips, cooking times, temperatures, and even a shopping list to make your dinner planning a breeze. Just click the link in the comments below. So now, you've got all the tools to make a slow roasted prime rib that's juicy, tender, and absolutely packed with flavor. But let me share a little secret with you. There's something even better you can do with those leftovers. Imagine turning that incredible prime rib into the most mouth-watering ribeye sliders ever. Click on the video right here and I'll walk you through how to make them step by step. Oh, and if you enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate if you gave it a thumbs up. It helps more than you know. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more barbecue recipes and grilling tips. I've got plenty more to share. I'll see you in the next video.